A day with my grandma. Today, I spent the day with my grandma. She is the best storyteller. We baked cookies together in her kitchen. She taught me how to mix the dough and shape the cookies. The smell of cookies baking was delicious. While they were in the oven, we sat down with hot chocolate. Grandma told me stories from when she was a little girl. I loved hearing about her adventures. After the cookies were ready, we decorated them with icing and sprinkles. They looked so colorful. We shared some with our neighbors, and they loved them. Spending time with Grandma made me feel happy and loved. I learned so much from her today. I can't wait for our next baking adventure together. Grandma always makes everything special. I treasure our time and hope to create more memories with her.